Check it out, everybody. Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to cover how we do these freestyle seams. This is a living room dining room combo, so we're going to seam this up and then stretch across to pull the room tight. So first things first, I'm going to fold the carpet over. On the carpet backing, there's straight lines, kinda, not really straight most times, but we are going to trace one of these straight lines with a fresh razor blade all the way down. Now, most people use row finders or straight edges, and that's all fine. This is my own style. It works well for me. So 90% of the time, this is how I get down. I'm just trace one of these lines all the way down to get a nice clean cut. Next, with a sharp blade, we're going to mark the other rug. Now, if this is a super dense, thick plush, or a pattern or a Berber, we would not take this approach. But on cheap and mid-grade plush and frieze carpets, this will fly all day long. All right, marked all the way down on this other piece. Now we're about to seam up. Then we just connect the dots with the slits. Section's done. Get this little bit over here. Cool thing about doing connect the dots with it is you have the lines on the back, which you can use as a guide. So if it looks like it hops over a row on the piece you're cutting into, you know just to trace that out and hop over. Alrighty, next, we got our seam tape. Unroll that the length of the seam. And you want it halfway under each seam, and there's actually a line down the middle. Use that as your guide. All right, we're good to go there. We got our seam iron, which we had warming up, so we're ready to rock. Put that on the seam. We're gonna start putting this together. So I can get you in here a little bit closer. Depending upon how hot you're heating the seam, let it warm up for about 10 seconds roughly, then slide it an iron's length forward, and then put the seam together. And then when you're putting it together, make sure you're not pushing any of the fibers down into the glue. You want just the backing lining up on them. And that's how you get invisible seams. like to brush it around a little bit, make sure there's no loose hairs coming through, and if there is, you just snip them as you go. Almost to the finish line here. Get to the other end, slide the iron out. Put the balance of the seam together. And then once it cools, stretch across the room. If you can see that back there, we're gonna stretch across, make sure everything's nice and tight, and move on to the next. So, be sure to subscribe, comment below if you have any questions about the flooring industry, and I'll catch you on the next video.